All right, let's do an update on the honeysuckle. We have some new growth coming. There's some right there. So let's see if we can, there's some further down. Let's see if we can gently pull these up and see. I don't recommend doing this, but I'm kind of impatient. Ooh, okay, so when they're hard to tug, that's a good sign. I'm trying to do this. Let's see. Don't want to break any roots. Look at that. Beautiful roots. So we'll go ahead and gently stick it back down there. And I will pot these up. I'll give them another few weeks. And that's exciting. Now on the ghost honeysuckle, there's this, this variety is all new to me. I mean, I've been growing it for a while, but I don't know. That kind of looks like new growth there. But I've never successfully propagated it. I don't know, maybe that's why you can't see it often in, oh, no, that one's not, but it's still pretty green, so we'll just plop that one back in there. That one's a little tougher to, let's see. No, I don't think those are those roots. No, those aren't roots, but they're still green. These definitely may take a little longer, so we'll go ahead and pop that back in. No, that one shouldn't, even though it was really easy. No, we're still all green. So I'll give these guys definitely another month, because it just may be one of those. Look at that. Oops. Okay, starting to a little calcium, or I don't know, I can't remember what you call it. Calloused. There we go. Starting to get calloused on the end. See how it's puffy? So this one may end up taking root. So that's exciting. Go try it for yourself. Keep up the good work. Okay, I also have some lavender that I started probably a week or two before I did the honeysuckle cuttings. And look at that. Look at those roots. So we are slowly taking hold and getting those cuttings established before wintertime, and then I'll just pot them up. I'm not too concerned about, I'll probably sell some of them. I know Gallup wants some, and probably pot the rest up for me and then plant them again in the spring. I have planted lavender as late as October. It did fine. I don't recommend it, but I had landscape fabric. The ground was still warm. Hope you can see me. The ground was warm, and the roots had time to establish before it got cold. So, but I'm gonna, if you want just 10 of your plants, do 20 cuttings or 30 cuttings, and you're pretty much, if you keep them moist and whatnot, you'll end up with those 10 plants that you need. Gift the others to friends. They'd probably love some from your garden also. So some cabbage, cabbage, cauliflower. This is the second round. The mice just decimated all my other seedlings. So tired with the rodents right now. But I have, I've got a high tunnel full of weeds and peppers that aren't doing well. I'm just going to pull those up. There's no sense in wasting all that ground space when I need to get my cold crops in. So that's another thing I need to do. I'm going to show you my greenhouse structure. Let's see. It's just a high tunnel frame or greenhouse frame, shade cloth, and consistent sprinklers. I set those for every 4 hours, 10 minutes at a whack. I get those from Farmer's Friend. They're perfect. So it's supposed to be cooling off this week, and I will get my arugula, spinach, more carrots, more beets, and all my cool crops in the ground. Pull up my tomatoes that aren't producing very well. Look at that cloud formation. Insane. So another thing I want to do is I've got plans for planting grass in this area here. A couple shade trees. I want to be able to host some farm events when I have shade. Deal with all this weediness. Probably do a pollinator garden here, pathway. So stuff I can work on in the late fall and winter, which I have a problem with. As long as I can get back here with a tractor, I'm fine. Strung up. My cucumbers are looking good. Have a lot of weeding to do. Had some lettuce start bolting on me because it's still too stinking hot. So, clean it out. Get some stuff planted in here, and we'll be good. So, those are my plans. You stick to them. I work full time, so I will try to do what I can to get them in the ground and produce some nice veg this late fall, winter, and have some for early spring. That's exciting. I'll probably throw some flowers in there too. So, hey, follow along with me while I totally wreak havoc back here on top of all the other stuff I need to do. Have a great day. Bye.